You better run faster if you want to keep up. You don't want to have to jump in the water first, do you? Come on. Go faster. Ah! Okay, that's not fair. Come on. It certainly motivated you, didn't it? You win. You know what that means. Wait, let me take my headphones off first. Last time I checked, they aren't waterproof. And I don't want them to get wet. I could have brought my earplugs, but once again, I forgot. Not only do they block out the sounds, but they keep the water out of my ears. See, this is what happens when I get too excited about something. I usually forget. I mean, first we forgot the bug spray, and now I forgot my earplugs and brought my headphones instead. I know. I'm stalling, aren't I? Okay. Here we go. Wait, should we count to 3? Okay. Alright. 1, 2. Wait. I have a better idea. Why don't we hold hands and then we'll go in together? Okay? Yeah, I know a deal's a deal, but I kind of just wanna hold your hand. Okay. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Whew. Ooh, it's a little bit chillier than I thought it would be. Is there a thermometer around here so I can tell the temperature of the water? No? Well, it's really cold. But wow. At the same time, it feels nice. I don't like sand, but I actually really love the water. Look, I can toss it up and catch it in my other hand. I can spin around in the water and it'll create a tornado around me. See? Whee! Okay, you try. Yeah. And I can go under the water too. Watch. I've been working on holding my breath for as long as I can. You know, like the people who beat the world record for the longest time holding their breath? I forget how long it was, but it was a really long time. I think if I tried that, I don't think I'd make it. Then again, I guess those people practice a lot. You know, you start out slow and then you work your way up. I think the longest I can hold my breath is up to 30 seconds at the most. I've tried doing it for a minute, but my goodness, it takes a lot of practice. You wanna try? Okay, do you want me to count down for you? Okay. Go. That was pretty good. Yeah, I can I can do handstands too, but that's probably not the best idea to do it here. I might accidentally kick someone in the face. I've done that before. Like, we went to a water park one time, my parents and I, and I tried to do a handstand, but I accidentally kicked someone in the face and made their nose bleed. Yeah, so I'm a little more careful when I do those sort of stunts, especially if I'm around other people. I'm like, I can't tell everybody else to like, back up, you know? Because I don't want to sound bossy and that sort of thing. Okay, can you hand me that towel there? I think I got some salt water in my eye. Oh gosh, that stings. Thanks. Whew, my goodness, that hurt. Look, I don't say this to everyone because, you know, people are often surprised by this, but summer has got to be my favorite season. Okay, hear me out before you start judging me. I know spring, winter, and fall are great and all, but in summer it's warm. You can go swimming, you can have picnics, you can take a nice walk in the evening and watch the sunset. And most of all, I can walk around in a t-shirt and shorts without freezing or sweating when I wear too many layers. Yeah, I mean, sometimes I can go outside in the snow, but then if I overexert myself, then I sweat a lot, and that's not fun. But then if I decide to wear a t-shirt and shorts when it's winter, I'll freeze. You wanna hear a funny story? Okay. One time, I was hanging out with some friends, and we thought it would be a great idea to dress in a t-shirt and shorts and make snow angels. My mom absolutely freaked out when she saw us. She's like, what are you trying to do? Catch hypothermia? Like, I understand her concerns. Like, I would not want my child to do the silly thing that I did. But, yeah. It was not funny then for her, but it's certainly funny now. Because nowadays, I wouldn't think of doing such thing. And I think I was only like 12 when I did that. And that's just because everybody else is doing it, and so I thought I should do it too. It looks fun. Alright. I'll admit I don't like it when it's really hot and you have to have the air conditioning and fans on full blast. And when it's so warm, you can't even step outside without feeling the humidity. And I don't like when I have just styled my hair and it goes all frizzy after I just spent 20 minutes trying to get it straight and not frizzy. That's the only thing I will complain about. But I guess fall comes a close second because I do like looking at the leaves. I do like the smell of the air. When it's fall, like, there's just something about it that's so nice. Okay, about you. What is your favorite season? Yeah. You know what? I have to agree with that. I have to agree. Oh, and I also like winter because it's Christmas, I mean. That's one of the only good things about winter for me. The only reason I don't like winter is when it snows. Sometimes the snow turns to ice, and you slip on the ice, and now that I have a new puppy, and I'm going to have to take the puppy outside into the snow, yeah. I don't want to have to slip on the ice. Okay? Yeah. Wait, where did you go? Whoa, what are you doing? You're not going to toss me in, are you? You're not? Well, I don't know why, but I don't think I believe you. Well, for starters, you have that look in your eye that tells me that you're up to no good. And second, the smile that you're trying to keep back, I can see it breaking through. And I can sort of hear a bit of a laugh right now, which does not sound promising. You promise you're not going to toss me? You're just gonna hold on to me? Okay, fine. Okay, I will trust you. Just this once. You said you weren't going to toss me. Fine. Whatever, just know that I'm going to get you back for it. No, not right now. I'll do it when you least expect it. I'm sorry, but you should not have tossed me into the water. I may like the water, and I may like going under the water, but I don't like being tossed into the water, you know? Okay. Alright, I'll forgive you. Only because you are my boyfriend, and it was really nice seeing you smile. I know things have been pretty tricky lately with us being so far apart, and with school starting back up again in a couple weeks, and me having to leave in a few days. I don't really want to go back. I just wish we could stay like this forever. And ever. And ever. And ever. And ever. I know. I wish I didn't live so far away either. I wish we went to the same school. And I could run out of the classroom just to see you. Or if I lived a little closer, not so far away, we'd just hop on a plane or take a cab or whatever. I would do anything to see you. I would do anything not to leave you. Yeah. Wait, when did you get so close? Oh. That was unexpected. I'm not blushing. Shush. Stop. What are you... Oh. Okay. See, I got your hands now. I got your hands. I like your hands. Though I think we should probably get out before our hands get too wrinkly. Not that I don't mind wrinkly hands, but you look like you're getting a little cold. Yeah, the water is definitely a lot colder than we thought. This was really fun though, and I'm glad I was able to, come here and spend time with you. You're one of the most incredible people I've ever met, and I can't imagine ever doing this with anyone else. I can't imagine anyone else as my boyfriend but you. That said, I have one more surprise for you. So we better get back to the house and get ready. And we're going to have another race. Yeah, I have to make everything a competition. That's just because I'm fun. Alright? Ready? Set? Go!